Hello everyone. Well, it's the weekend once again, and the beautiful Miss Riley and I decided to go up north to the Ely-Winton area. We'll take a short hike to the Kawishwee Falls, then after we'll get back to the Flip House video portion. I sure hope I didn't butcher the fall's name too badly. Ely's about 120 miles from my house. And along the way, we pass multiple lakes. The unfortunate part is, with my camera set up in the windshield, we can't really show them. The Ely area has always been a great area for me. When I was younger, I did a lot of building as a subcontractor for a garage and cabin company. Good memories from when my dad and my uncle built with me. Highway 69 is a real scenic highway. You run across several little towns and a lot of little lakes. Ely's known for the International Wolf Center, the Bear Center, the Brandenburg Art Gallery, dog sledding. Also, it's one of the main access points to the BWCA or the Boundary Waters Canoe Area.
Blueberry Festival weekend.
I hadn't realized it at the time, but it happened to be the start of Blueberry Festival in Ely, Minnesota, which is quite the large draw of people. So unfortunately, we didn't really stop and take in the festivities. We went directly to the trailhead for the falls. The trails to the fall were only about 1.5 miles round trip. A real easy hike. There's a little bit of roots and stumps and stuff, a little bit of wetland, but not too bad.
Riley.
You might want to watch the ground too.
I'm watching the ground. Pretty cool, huh?
This is just messed up.
Somebody carving.
Yeah. It's wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'd eat them.
Aren't they poisonous to humans?
I have no clue. I don't know what they are.
They're little bird berries.
So I said I don't think I'd be eating them. And somebody carved their name in another one.
Yeah.
That's awful nice people.
Completely destroying the trees.
This is pretty much where we left off on the last video. We're just finishing up framing in the back porch. After that, we'll jump onto the front porch, get the windows in, take care of some business out there. And then I told the homeowner, seeing how our siders don't ever show up, that I'll start trimming out the place in metal. I like them snug, but that might have been just a little bit too tight on the header.
Had to insulate and put a vapor barrier behind the bathtub before that can be installed. With luck, tomorrow that'll go in.
Okay guys, at this point I've already finished my end of the bargain. Plus we installed windows and roofed the house. But because the homeowner can't find a cider, I told him I would stick around for a few days until my next job starts. I'm not a master cider by any means, nor do I do a lot of brake work, but I can manage to some degree.
It'll start. Remember, the guard is taped up on that. Huh? Remember, the guard is taped up on that so you can pull it back. Now give me my 3 frickin' soffit panels. I got 12 more gray hairs while I'm waiting for you.
That's easy. That's what happens when you get old.
Watch it.
I'll go tell your mom on it. Yeah, have her come over and help. She's faster. Using a brake is not a real tough job. Just a lot of angles and such. Biggest thing is getting over the fear of it. And then the actual application of the pre-bent material. It all just takes a little bit of time. The more you do, the more experience you get. You are kind of a forgettable guy.
I know. I get that a lot.
Took me about 20 minutes to break the metal and wrap this door. I don't know if that was a real good speed, but it was a good speed for me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this segment of Wandering Wiley. Stay tuned for more. And remember, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, take care, and be safe out there.